Hi, want to know how to hide and unhide apps on your Samsung Galaxy A14? So, as a first step, open Settings and then find this tab which is named Home Screen. Open it and here go to this tab which is named Hide Apps on Home and App Screen. Here we would need to select the applications that we would like to hide. So, let's do an example on the YouTube. So now you can see that the YouTube has moved to hidden apps, and if we will click done, after this you won't be able to find YouTube literally anywhere. So here, for example, I'll type YouTube to prove that you can see it. So you can see here we don't have the application. There is a way how to open a hidden app, and for that we would need to go to Settings, then find this tab which is named Apps, and here with the help of this search bar type the name of application, open it, and here click on this open button. This is how we can open hidden application, and now we have only one step left, and that's still how to unhide app. For that we would need to go to the same tab which is Home Screen. Here go to the tab Hide Apps on Home and App Screen, and here on this tab named Hidden Apps, click on this red minus on the application that you would like to remove from hidden list. Click done, and after this YouTube is visible again. That was it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.